Alright guys, it's me Anafan here and welcome back to techaply. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Well, have you been trying to learn a new language? Perhaps it's English. Okay, this video I love to talk about how to learn English with Duolingo. So I'll be showing you guys some of the good methods to learn a new language on Duolingo. Without further ado, let's dive in. Duolingo is a free language learning app. Chances that you're using either iOS or Android devices. The app is available on both Apple Store and Google Play Store, so downloading is so much easier. Duolingo offers a lot of language lessons through different courses. As the name of itself, you can learn English on Duolingo by English or Spanish, Portuguese, French, and so on. And if you're a master of English language, then it's interesting that you can learn Chinese, Arabic, Portuguese, Spanish, and even Esperanto and more other languages just right on all-in-one app Duolingo. Okay, sounds exciting, right? Let's move on how to learn English or any other languages with Duolingo. Here are 5 tips on learning English with Duolingo. Number 1. Passing through the very basic English lessons. Well, I bet that most of us start learning English with very few basic English knowledge already, like English alphabet. So the tips here is to get those basic English lessons passed away as quickly as possible. Most of us might not want to be engaged in some alphabetical letters anymore. Just like we adults don't like the ABC songs on YouTube. There you go, rushing through the alphabet and basic lessons will help to open other log lessons ahead. Those log lessons are what you aim for. So go ahead, do the basic alphabet sections as quickly as possible. Maybe spending around a night going through it all. One quick tip, if you don't like the ABC lessons, just go and do the end of section test number 1. Then the next lessons will be open for you. There are different topics in the course, so you might choose and practice as you go through the course. Number 2. Say it out loud when you're learning words and sentences. Chances that we are so familiar with English words appearances already. We are so familiar with Latino language letters. Okay, you can get to write down all the words and sentences that you may learn in Duolingo. But to be able to learn English or any other languages quickly, then you should say it out loud when learning new words. This will help you to bring the words into your brain and having the pronunciation of it correct. The words and sentences now sound in your head and you will remember them easily.
Fun.
Fun. Fun.
رسالة.
رسالة. رسالة.
أتكلم مع أمي عن رسالة غريبة.
أتكلم مع أمي عن رسالة غريبة. أتكلم مع أمي عن رسالة غريبة.
Number 3. Make a list of words that you've been learning through Duolingo. Duolingo constantly reminds you on writing down the words or phrases that you've been learning in your notebook. However, sometimes you might forget to jot it down right at the moment you learn. Don't worry, Duolingo lists the words that you've been learning on its course in a word list feature. All you need to do is just go to Duolingo.com, make sure you're signing in with the same account that you're using on your phone. Next, click on More and go to Words. Here you will see a list of all words that you've been learning. Moreover, Duolingo does provide a timing of the word learned. Here, you will copy all these words into your Word document and fill in the meanings of the words. You can actually print this list out for later use. Number 4. Following some friends and race on the league with them. If you feel bored to learn on Duolingo alone, don't worry. You can choose to follow some good and top learners and try to raise up with their Duolingo XP scores. This makes the motivation of learning higher. Or you can set it up to race on the league in the app. There are 10 leagues. The last league is Diamond League. Make sure you are motivated every day to get there. You can try to learn more every day to be on the top of this list. And remember not to put so much focusing on the position of the leak itself, which might make you forget about the main purpose of learning is to remember all those words and lessons and keep them for later use. Number 5. Complete a lesson every day and keep it up with streak. Duolingo gives learning stats which show records of your learning on a weekly basis. Also, they do base their league on weekly basis. So if you want to be on the top language learners in Duolingo, then be active daily and weekly. Make sure you turn this into a habit. This shows that you're likely to get to the end of the course. The English course on Duolingo contains 5 major milestone tests that you need to pass along the way. Every topic will have 5 levels. There are now 5 topics in a big lesson. Therefore, you actually have to complete a few hundreds of small lessons, which contains around 15 to 17 sentences to finish. That sounds a lot, right? But don't be panicking. Just go like one step at a time. Keep it up until the end. Some people even make around 250 days on streak. That's a lot of practices and dedications thing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos later on. Goodbye for now.